Hey guys, I'm Alex Lowe's from the Kawasaki World Superbike team. During last year's championship, I really struggled with a few injuries, especially on my shoulder. But thanks to the Mark 1 3D printer, the guys in the team was able to produce this little tank cover, and these little sort of side pods were to use my legs, which allowed me in the corners to use my legs more, take some weight off the shoulder, relax my arms in the corners. It allowed me to race a lot better. So it was something that was able to do quickly, was able to modify it in a short space of time. And yeah, it was really beneficial for me. So really positive, and it helped me a lot during the 2021 season. So thank you guys.